Hey, welcome to the Freedom Factory. I'm glad you have found us here. This podcast is dedicated to people who are in network marketing, who've decided to own their own business and are wanting to make some changes in their life. My name is Brandon Cunningham. I have been in the industry of network marketing for over 14 years, and we have had a lot of success. We've sold over $200 million in product. We have a global sales team. It reaches around the world, and the sun never sets on it. The business runs 24 hours a day. And I am forever grateful that I found network marketing, because the previous 20 years, I was in traditional business. I was in real estate. I was in the automotive industry, employees, the typical thing. And I was literally going crazy trying to attain the balance of the income and the time. And it seemed like when there was income, there was no time. And when there was time, there was no income. And I found the perfect balance in network marketing. And that's what this podcast is dedicated to, is helping other people become successful in network marketing so they can have that balance. Now, through the years, I've realized that many people that get into network marketing have never owned their own business before. And for that reason, they are lost when it comes to money. They start earning money in network marketing. And really, if they don't do the right things with that money, are in no better place than they were before they got into network marketing. And that is a shame. And so I am going to be spending time in this podcast with you, helping you, number one, become successful in network marketing. We've got to create the income. And once we create the income, then trying to help you make some wise decisions with that money, helping you run a real business, from corporation setups to taxes, to tax strategy, asset protection, to how do you grow a global team. We're going to be doing both instruction on how to grow the teams, how to be a professional in network marketing, but then also how you're going to turn that income into ultimately what you join network marketing for. And that is freedom. Freedom to do what you want when you want. And you need two things for that. You need time and you need money. And so I'm excited for you to be here. I hope that you get value out of the podcast and will share this with others. We're going to bring in guests that are professionals in network marketing who have done it at a high level, whether it's been real quick success or long-term success. We're going to bring in people who have been extremely successful in business and understand what it takes to thrive in today's business world, as well as I am going to be introducing you to my professional team, the team that I go to for asset protection. So my lawyers, my accountants, my tax strategists, my investment team, all of that is going to be a part of these conversations. So I hope you really enjoy this. Sit back, listen to these, and then share with your network so that we can make the biggest impact possible with the Freedom Factory. So I hope if you're on your journey, you find this podcast beneficial, because truly this whole podcast is dedicated to your freedom being created through network marketing and smart money moves with your investments. So sit back, enjoy, and let's jump into these episodes. Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's episode of the Freedom Factory. If you would like to find us on some of the other platforms, we put a lot of content out. So in the description of this podcast, there will be a link that will get you connected to us all over all of the platforms. And I'd love to have a conversation with you there.